Hello everyone and welcome to Final IT. Today's video we're going to be looking at possible issues that can come up when installing Windows 10 May 2019 update. Another good video to watch with this one is our video on forcing the update to May 2019 on your particular machine in case the update process has been giving you trouble in any way. A link to that video can be found in the description. So as far as issues, there's a couple of them we want to look at first. These are non-fixable issues right now. They're things that Microsoft is working on, but right now there's no real workaround to resolve them. So if they're deal breakers, then you probably just don't want to update yet. And one of them is with Dolby Atmos not working in some cases. And then also an issue with duplicate folders and documents showing in the user profile directory. Only if you've redirected those kinds of folders before. Other issues that do have a little bit more of a resolution. So for display brightness, there's an issue with it when you adjust the slider now. It does not actually change the brightness on your screen. Now, this seems to be affecting Intel display drivers. Does not seem to be an issue for systems using external graphics or discrete graphics of any kind. Workaround would be to restart the system between brightness changes for the brightness change to actually have an effect. And Microsoft is currently working on a solution for that one. The next big one, and this one actually affected me, was the AMD RAID driver issue. So if you have a RAID and you're using an AMD system, then it's possible that this will affect you. What you're going to want to do is manually update drivers for your AMD RAID. That can be done at this link, the following website. This will be available in the description for you to get to. You'll just want to update that before you update your Windows 10. Another big one is error when installing if you have external USB drives or memory cards attached. This affects pretty much all devices. The workaround is just to remove those things while you're installing Windows 10 May 2019 update at the moment. And Microsoft is working on a solution for that. The next one is Bluetooth discover and connection issues. This is affecting Qualcomm and Realtek Bluetooth adapters. You're going to want to get updated drivers, specifically the 10.0.1.11 for Qualcomm, or the 1.5.1011.0 for Realtek. And Microsoft is working with those companies to get those drivers added into the Windows update. The next one is nightlight settings, stopping when you change display properties, including plugging and rotating displays. This affects all devices using the nightlight feature in Windows 10, and the workaround is to turn nightlight on or off or to restart it. And Microsoft's currently working on a solution to make sure that that works a little bit better. The next thing is Intel Audio is displaying notifications and draining the battery a bit more. This is for devices using Intel-based graphics or audio from their processor. The workaround is to install new drivers, which can be gotten from this website. You'll find a link to that in the description as well. The inability to launch the camera app has also been affecting all devices. You'll need to either replug the camera, or if that isn't possible, say it's built in, you'll want to go into your device manager and disable and re-enable the device. And that should let you open up the camera app. Microsoft's working on a fix for that one as well. Another big one, intermittent Wi-Fi loss, and that's affecting folks who have the Qualcomm Wi-Fi adapters. The workaround at this point is to get new drivers from Qualcomm. Now these will be a little bit tricky. You're going to need to look for the specific drivers for your device, depending on where you got it from. Next one here is an issue with some games failing to enter full screen mode on rotated displays. So if you're running games on a rotated display, then this could be affecting you. The current workaround is to use windowed mode or to disable full screen optimizations on that. Microsoft is expected to release a fix within the next week or so. After that, we have issue with BattlEye anti-cheat software. Um, this is currently used by games like Fortnite, PUBG, and Ark Survival Evolved. Are some of the popular ones. And so to get around that, you're just going to want to make sure those games are updated to the newest version. They should already have updates to BattlEye for that. Those are all the issues that we were going to cover today. Um, Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and let me know what you think.